Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Desola, your garden expert, and today we're gonna be mulching. So I'm gonna teach you how much mulch to buy and how to lay it. So let's get to it. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is measure the space that you plan on mulching. So once you measure everything, there's actually a really cool tool that Lowe has on Lowe's.com, and it's called the Mulch and Soil Calculator. You put in your dimensions that you found, and then guess what? They'll tell you how many bags you need to buy. Once you're on the website, it's actually super easy. So the first question they ask is the length and the width of the area that you're planning on mulching. So for us, it's 30 feet by 3 feet. Once I do that, it tells me that it's 90 square feet. And I wanna go with an organic mulch, but you can also do an inorganic. We have a lot of options here, but I'm gonna go with hardwood. The last thing I have to do is enter the mulch or soil depth. So I'm gonna put 2 inches because I'm only planting flower beds. So I just need 8 bags and that's it. So I'm ready to go. So now that we know how many bags of mulch we need, let's get back to the prep and talk about the weeds. The first thing you wanna do is pull out some weeds. I mean, come on, look at this. Does this look good? No, it doesn't look good at all. So once these weeds are all pulled out, smooth and nice, you wanna get the weed barrier for extra protectant so no weeds can come through to your mulch. The weed barrier is down, and now it's time for me to plant my flowers. I'm gonna take my utility knife and I'm gonna make some cross cuts in the weed barrier, and then I'm gonna take my trowel and dig up that nice dirt, and then plant the plant and put the soil back. So the reason why I actually chose these particular flowers is because they're spring and fall flowers, which is actually the best time to put down mulch because the mulch gives the soil a chance to warm up and it protects the plants from the cold. So now I'm on my last flower. I am going to get the mulch, and I'm actually gonna be using my hands to lay it down because the flowers are packed in really close to each other and I don't wanna mess them up, you know what I mean? So let's get started doing this. Let's just put it in. And I just started laying down the mulch, and a lot of you are probably like, well, why do I need to mulch? And you know what? There are actually a lot of benefits to mulching. First of all, it really helps retain water. And when you have plants like this, you want that water to be retained so they stay beautiful. It also really helps reduce the weeds, the amount of weeds that you have. It also helps reduce erosion, and it really protects the plant roots. All right, you guys, so I just finished up everything, and I gotta say, this looks absolutely amazing. And I mean, look at this, you guys. We went from blah to bam. This is so good. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit up your local Lowe's where you can get your tools, your mulch, and so much more. And if you need some help while shopping, don't hesitate to ask one of our store associates. They'd be more than happy to help. Also, let us know what else you'd like to see us do in the comments down below. And of course, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time.